Hi, this is Christine Kenyon with Alpha Mega Soaps, and today this is a tutorial about making goat's milk soap with that's in the fragrance of Pure Grace from Bulk Apothecary, and it's going to be a lot of soft oils, avocado, castor, olive oil, and then sunflower, and also some moisturizing shea butter. And I did the lye in an ice bath because I don't want any, because it's got high sugar content with the goat's milk, and I also added honey. I don't want it to split down the side or heat up too much. So this is down to about 95 degrees and the oils are the same. I heated the oils up to melt the shea butter and I forgot it on the stove, and then I had to put it in an ice bath to get this temperature down. So these two are within 10 degrees apart. I made this mold out of corrugated plastic, and you can there's a tutorial on YouTube about how to make this. I'm doing half the batch half of it is going to be this Pure Grace, and on the other side I'm making a different soap. So I've got it all lined with plastic, all ready to go, and taped up here so it won't seep to the other side. The colors I'm going to use for this soap are going to be, because it's called Pure Grace, I'm going to use Gold Coast Holiday Mica Powder. I love this stuff. It's amazing. It's from Wholesale Supplies Plus. I'm also going to use this violet, which I got from Brambleberry, and I mixed it in with glycerin. It had didn't have much left, and I mixed it in with glycerin, so it's a nice smooth liquid. It won't clump up. And I'm also going to use titanium dioxide. This titanium dioxide is water soluble, and what I find best is that if you heat the water and then add the titanium dioxide, it won't leave specks and it'll dissolve completely. It also helps to have it in, keeps them like this so that it stays hydrated and there are no problems with specks. So I'm going to add the lye now to my oils. So now I'm going to add the goat's milk. This is goat's milk with the honey that I told you, and it also has some kaolin clay, which I understand helps anchor the scent, and it also has the fragrance oil all mixed together. So this is already tracing, which I hoped it wouldn't, but I think shea butter. It's got coconut oil also, and some tallow, not much. So I'm going to work quickly. And it's starting to trace, and this is my first time using this fragrance oil, so I hope it'll work out all right. So I'm going to pour a little in each of these cups. And I really want this gold to stand out, so I'm putting a whole teaspoon in this little bit of soap. So, I think I'm going to mix it with if you see it's coming to trace like this, if you stick blend it, it'll just make it thicker and more pudding-like, so doing it with a whisk is better. So that's what I'm going to do. first I'm going to, I think I'm going to do in the pot swirl since this is thickened up already so much, instead of trying to put it in the mold. I usually like to drip it in the molds and so it gets down to the bottom, but I don't think that's going to work with this time. Okay, so this seized on me big time, so I made I just used some purple dots, didn't mix it with, it's mixed in glycerin, and then the gold is mixed with olive oil, excuse me, and I drizzled that on top. So that's, I'll show you the cut. I'll take a picture tomorrow when I cut it and show you the cut. Thank you for watching. This is Christine Kenyon with Alpha Mega Soaps. Please follow me on Instagram and like this channel, please, and thumbs up. I appreciate that. God bless and have a great day. Bye-bye.